Do you know that 70% of Austria is covered by mountains? So here's a great experience to have a year in Salzburg. From easy to difficult hikes, near to far, here are some options for you to explore the mountains in Salzburg. With beautiful mountains and lake views, the Blondenthal Valley is a must-go. Not so far from the city, this breathtaking hike is super recommended. Total duration including transportation and hike is around 2 to 3 hours. Total cost around 19 euros. For outstanding views, Hallstatt is the place to go. Known for its production of salt, Hallstatt is one of the World Heritage Sites of Austria. It will take you 2.5 hours to get from Euro Park to Hallstatt. Total cost with public transportation within 19 to 20 euros. To know more about this beautiful place, visit its official website and also TripAdvisor. If you want to see more beautiful places and mountains in Austria, don't be shy. If you don't speak German, you can find information in English as well as friendly people to help you. Make Google your best friend and go venture yourself. Enjoy!